excuse me. So when I go click Dave again, I look down here and I see that Dave's been sent on today. He's been sent a quick message. It hasn't been opened yet, and it's not in the category. Okay? So remember, you're not learning the system today. I go a little fast. Just pay attention to what it does and how it can do it, and then you'll learn how to do it. It'll take you a few hours of playing in here and looking at the tutorials and so forth, and you'll know how to do it. Okay? So I'm managing a lead. Alright? This is big stuff, guys. I'm managing a lead, and I'm getting corporate communication compliant from Kiera already to them. Okay? Now I go to my calendar tab because I'm busy every day. I can view day or month. I see Dave on the 12th. If I click on the 12th, I'll see the whole day's events. I come back in here, I click on Dave. I go right into the lead. I see I have a call with him. I manage it. Okay? One thing that we are adding, just as an exciting little thing, above right here, there will be little boxes that let you put in canned responses. So if you left a message, you don't have to type in left message. It'll put in canned response left message. Okay, so we're making it a little easier that way for you. Alright, so those are your leads. Again, calendar of events. You look at it, click on it, gives you a box, takes you straight into the lead, make your calls, and manage your lead. Okay, that's just one little piece. Okay, now, marketing generator. There's only one person in this room that has ordered a business card. Okay? Unacceptable. Alright? Unacceptable. We cannot promote Kiera effectively if we don't have Kiera business cards. And if we went and built our own business cards, we're hurting ourselves and each other. Okay? So we need to buy a business card. We need to do business cards from here. They're great pricing, and they're all branded. Marketing spends a lot of time putting in a lot of different opportunities, different kinds of cards, different kinds of bags. Okay? I'll show you another thing. So who here has ever, who knows the statistics, Jeff, on people that have business cards with a picture in them versus people that don't? Okay? In the marketing world, they say there's 43% better use, okay? 43% of cards that have pictures on them don't get put into the bottom of the drawer. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how simple that might be. Right now, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to go and find that image that we just had. I'm going to upload it. What's your name, man? Connie. Nice to meet you, Connie. Save changes. Okay? I'm going to go click on this image. I should have named it Connie. Guess what? There she is. So, I click show image editor. Guys, I'm showing you how to build marketing material that's going to be 43% more effective day one. And it takes seconds. Okay? So I'm going to show you image editor. Alright? Very simple tool that we built. Alright? For you guys, it says move the cropper over. First of all, I'm going to make the image 10% smaller. Up and down. Doesn't mess up the pixels. Okay? We weren't able to do this until recently. I'm now going to move over this box. I'm now going to move over the box. Very simple. Good smile, guy behind you, Scott, up there. It's all flagged out. Okay? I'm not going to cut off your head, Connie. Boom. Drop. Okay. Now I'm going to go build a business card. I'm Connie. I'm at home. I haven't had a lot of time. But I want some effective marketing products. Okay? So, again, I'm just going to fill it out with some fictitious information, just for time's sake. I'm a great typer. I'm going to go choose the demo image. Beautiful. There's Bonnie. Okay? I choose the back. I say I want a different back. I refresh my back. I decide that I do want the appointment card back. I click continue. I just ordered these cards. They're approved. They're secure. I want 250. I want 500. It knows who I am because I'm in a secured front office system, and they come to the door 3 to 5 days later. Okay? So in seconds, you can personalize your marketing materials. Okay? In seconds. It's a good picture, right, Bonnie? Bonnie would be happy with this card. Okay? So, if there's testimonials in the future, Noreen will build postcards that have testimonial pictures and so on. You will be able to add anything that Noreen builds the templates on. You will have all the tools and controls to use. Okay? You have your pricing as well. Now here's another great feature in the marketing generator. Orders. You can view every order, okay, that you've ordered. So obviously this person, I guess, hasn't ordered any. Let's just go back and see. It's a demo account. Okay, in other words, all your orders will show right here, and then you can click one button to click reorder, and it will immediately come to your door 3 to 5 days later. Okay? So when you want to know, say Jeff's working with his downline, and he's saying, well, how are you doing? What kind of marketing materials have you been using? Did you use that new postcard that we did? Did you use the new nurse campaign that we built? Have you taken advantage of the new teacher campaign where we teach you how to go and get teachers involved and so on? It can actually help you look at this and say, well, you're not purchasing these products, these marketing pieces. Maybe we should go and do a postcard and so forth, and that'll help. Okay, so every order is in here. Receive will tell you when the printer has got it and sent it to you. Okay? We'll keep going. Content library, guys. The content library and the has images and documents. Everything that you see that has the word next to it called shared, Noreen has put in the system and clicked the button called share. It has shared a copy with that to you. Okay? So, on a high level, Noreen has global management abilities to change this logo worldwide in every language, everywhere that you guys have used it, to be able to effectively change the communication. Okay? So let's say that you guys build web pages, and I'm going to show you in a minute, and you've got a little piece in the web page that says over 10 millionaires created at Kiera. And it's really over 15. She changes it, and it changes worldwide everywhere you guys have that information. Okay? She has complete global content asset management control. Okay? So it's going to change how marketing is able to provide you the needed tools. Okay? So, your account settings, basically documents is where Noreen will put the documents you need. If they're tax documents, if they're how to hold a meeting, if they're verbatim things, whatever the case is.